I lost a lot of footages for some reason, so I'm really sorry you couldn't see the base makeup. I will list everything down below, but hopefully this video will show you the key point makeup aspect so you can get some inspiration. The eyeliners are really important, so really make sure you drag it out in the corner, the outer corner of your eyes, as well as lining the lower outer corner, if that makes sense. Just make sure to follow what I'm doing here, and I use angle liner brush and dip it in some of the pencil liner that I have, and I just sort of smooth everything out. I definitely don't recommend the liner that I have here, but it's just what I have on hand, so feel free to use whatever you're comfortable with. And I am using a concealer brush to clean up everything. This step I'm doing here is pretty optional. The reason I'm doing it is because my double eyelid is slightly deeper and higher than hers, so I am going to darken the inner corner to make it look like it's slightly less prominent, and I also sort of fake the outer one so that it make my eyes slightly look more lifted as opposed to like a droopy eye shape. Pencil eye brush, and I'm just sort of sweeping everything down my lower lash line. The look that I took inspiration from, or the photo I took inspiration from, she really didn't have a whole lot of eye makeup, but I am still taking some inspiration and trying to recreate her eye shape as much as I can. And I'm highlighting using a matte white shadow of my sort of eye bag area to make my eyes look more innocent. I always do my lashes offline because I have an eyelash curling and mascara routine, so you can check that one out. The point makeup, I believe, is really the lip. It's very vibrant, it's very colorful. I am using a pencil that's clearly very dried up that I wasn't aware previously, but I'm just sort of mapping it out so I know where to lay the color on. And I'm trying to recreate her lip, so her top lips are very full and pouty. I'm using this London Fog, I believe, by Colourpop, and it's very beautiful. I believe with the right filter, which her original photo or poster definitely has, you can recreate or make it look like it has the right shade. I'm just fixing up my bang here and going back to contours to recreate the nose. As you can see, my nose is very prominent for an Asian. It's pretty huge on the tip, and even the bridge I believe is slightly higher than hers. So I'm trying to just slim it down a little bit at the tip and try to make it look more pointy at the bottom, and I'm recreating her mole on her bridge, on the bridge of her nose. Going back to a cushion, I'm just sort of packing up some additional product, but as you can see, I'm only focusing on a downward triangle shape on my face to recreate her very pointy, very slender face shape, whereas mine is pretty wide and round as opposed to her really delicate feature. But that is everything. I hope you find this helpful, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.